Hello, I'm Sean Starr, a Pittsburgh-based videographer, graphic designer, and photographer, all-around digital media guy. Today, I'm going to be unboxing some new metal prints that I got for an art show from Bay Photo. Now, I've never ordered anything from Bay Photo before, but it came highly recommended. They're from California. One of the hardest things that I had to do while ordering these prints was decide which finish to go with. Bay Photo offers 5 different finishes. Each of them gives a distinct look to the piece. The 5 different finishes are high gloss, mid gloss, satin, sheer glossy, and sheer matte. The glossy prints from Bay Photo, and for what I understand from most other printers, basically apply a layer of white ink over the metal before they print your image. The sheer finish doesn't include that white layer, so you actually get to see little bits of the aluminum through the ink. The really cool thing about that is light is able to actually pass through the ink as it's translucent, and it reflects off the aluminum surface, kind of almost backlighting the image, giving it a sort of glowy appearance. Now with my prints, I went with the sheer matte because they're going to be in a gallery setting with lots of lights on them, so I didn't want there to be a whole lot of glare. The sheer glossy and sheer matte finishes both look like they are significantly darker than the high gloss, mid gloss, and satin looks because they don't have that white underlayer. So a couple things I did to hopefully counteract the darkness that comes from the sheer glossy and sheer matte looks is I upped the saturation and the brightness by about 20%. Without further ado, let's open this thing. So here we go. Very excited, very nervous. Looks pretty crazy. Now you're just dying to see it. So most of my Photoshop work, which is what this is kind of fantasy, weird, dark, gory. I really know how to tack this guy up. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. As suspected, it does appear darker, but the colors are very vibrant. At the end of the video, I'll have some close-ups of these. So, as you can see, these prints are in a sealed plastic with packing tape all around the edges on the back of a piece of cardboard. Seems fine for a metal print. Wow. This one turned out really awesome. I love the way this one came out. Just super vibrant, super cool. This one also looks pretty sweet. Yeah. If you really want your colors to pop, the sheer finish is spectacular. As long as you have some good lighting, it really looks good. I can't wait to see these all on a wall together. One thing I forgot to mention is there are a variety of mounting options that you can get through Baephoto. You can get what I got, which is just little mounting screw holes. You can get just 2 on the top, or you can get 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, so 4 total. You can get various types of mounting brackets, or you can just get it without any at all. This is the cheapest option, and since I'm mounting them in a gallery, I needed to get them, so cheap was good. Thanks for watching this unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, please drop me a line. I'll try to answer them. And stay tuned for the end of the video where I show some close-ups of these images. Thanks.